Music, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove boost posts on your Instagram page. So each time you actually post a video or a photo on your Instagram, you always see this right here where it says boost posts, and you want to remove that. So first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app. Once you open it up, you can see this horizontal line right above your screen. Click on it. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll down, and under for professionals, you're going to see insights, verified account type, and choose. You click on account type and choose. Once you click on that, you're going to see account type. Click on that as well, and once you click on that, you're going to see professional, and so you can see my account is actually professional. That's why they always show me that. So you click on switch account type right here. Click on that, and you're going to see switch to personal or switch to creator account. So you're going to actually switch to personal account. You click on that, and you click on switch to personal account. It's going to take a while to actually load up, and once it's loaded, you have to refresh your Instagram app and try again, and you're going to see you're not going to find that boost post right there again. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.